Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm sharing with you skincare items that I'm trying to pan in 2020. I did not do fantastic in my 2019 intro to Project Pan, and I have a couple of ideas and goals that I want to do for 2020. I don't have a specific timeline for these products, and I have some other products that will be implemented during the spring and summertime when it's not as cold and when my skin will be a little bit more oily. That's where I'm afraid some of these products might fall out of the rotation, but we'll definitely see. My Project Pan playlist will be linked for previous Project Pans, as well as a video on this look. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoy. Let's get into it. The product that is coming back from the 2019 Project Pan is the Lancer The Method Polish. It is a really nice exfoliator. It's just I cannot use it every single day or every other day. It's definitely one that I have to use maybe twice a week and kind of go back and forth between other exfoliators. I switched to this because the Ole Henriksen Walnut Scrub became a little too harsh for me, and this happened to be a Sephora Weekly Wow. While I thought it was a lot more refined than the Walnut Scrub, I have since found exfoliators that are more refined than this one. I have not made new marks on these, so I will definitely do that after filming this video, but you can tell where I was in 2020 and how much I used up. So I definitely didn't make as much progress as I wanted to, but it looks like I only have a little bit left. Hopefully by the end of this year, the rest of this tube will be empty. Next, by the brand Botanics, I have the All Bright with Hibiscus Micellar 3-in-1 Cleansing Solution Micellar Water. It is just okay. That is where it is right now. I got it on sale because I needed a new micellar water, and I wanted to change things up between my Simple and Garnier ones that I like. There's nothing really that special about this. I still think the Garnier one removes makeup a little bit better than this one. I've been using these on the off days I'm not wearing makeup, kind of as my pre-step before I get into my skincare routine. I just want to get through with it and be done with it. Next, I have the Mamande Rose Water Toner. There's only a little bit left in it. I just wanted to stay motivated and putting this in a Project Pan because I know I am going to get through it, because I do use this toner twice a day right now in my winter skincare routine. I really like this toner. I really like Rose in my skincare. I find it very comparable to like the Thayer's Witch Hazel. Rose is just very calming in your skincare, as well as adds an extra boost of hydration. I know for me and my dry skin, I definitely need it. This does not irritate my sensitive skin either, so it's just a win-win all-around toner for me. I don't know how much of this product I have left. I definitely have to hold it up to a light. I've been using the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. I really like using this when I have a full face of makeup. I'll go in with either my Clinique or my Elemis Balm, break down all the makeup, and then I'll exfoliate, and then lastly I'll go back in with a cleansing oil just to make sure I have everything off, and then I do a QC check with my micellar water before I go and tone, just because a full face does have a lot of makeup on it and I don't want any of it left behind to clog up my pores. I think it does a great job breaking any remaining makeup that is behind. I just don't want it to go bad. I feel like if I put it in a Project Pan, I'll be a little bit more motivated to use it up. And then I have the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I don't have a scale to weigh this, but it is coming up on having this product for a year now. This has been a product I have been pretty consistent with. I have interchanged it with some other cleansers, but since it doesn't strip away at my skin, I've been really liking it a lot more in the winter time. It's a cleanser that lathers up really nice. I like when my cleansers do that because I feel like it's really cleansing my skin. It's probably more of an aesthetic pleasing thing than it actually is doing that. It definitely feels a lot lighter than when I first got it. Hopefully in a couple months this product will be panned. This would be a product I would repurchase, but since I do receive a lot of cleansers in my subscription boxes, I probably won't at this time. Making its return again is the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. I should have expected the first time it went into the Project Pan that it would take a lot longer to use up because I'm only using it once a day, as opposed most of these products are being using twice a day. But I really like this, and I think it's going on sale during the Ulta Love Your Skin event. I thought about picking one up, but I have received a serum in an IPSY box that I've been really enjoying as a morning and night serum. This was my first Hey Honey product that I have tried and I really liked. It's something I would repurchase as well, but if I didn't have that other serum, I would be more inclined. But it doesn't expire until August 2021, so if I don't finish it in 2020, I got another year. Next, I have the Glam Glow Super Serum. I got this in the BOXYCHARM skincare box last year. I have really enjoyed this serum. This has been one of the first serums I've actually really liked, and I've noticed a difference in my skincare routine. Again, I won't be able to make a mark on it. It's something I would need to scale for. I feel like each time I pump to dispense, it's getting less and less dispensed. So I feel like it's coming up on its time to be completely panned, which makes me sad, but I do have some other serums that I do want to implement. If I didn't have other serums, I would definitely repurchase this. It has worked out nice for me. And then I have by the brand Freeze 24/7 this anti-aging eye serum. This isn't bad. It's not my favorite eye product, but it's not the worst. Of course, I still love my Ole Henriksen Banana C eye cream, so I compare everything to it. I think I received this in an Allure beauty box, and the MSRP is like a crazy amount, so I definitely would not repurchase it because of how expensive it is, but to receive it in a box, I think it is nice. And I just have so many eye creams right now, I just don't want it to go to waste, and I just wanted to recognize that it is an eye cream that I have enjoyed from a subscription box. And then making its return again is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. The line is still right here. It hasn't even moved since I put it in the 2019 project pan. It's something I just really want to focus on using up because it is really good. It's just that the thicker balms have been my preference recently. I don't know why. It goes back to cleansers that really foam up. It's just so satisfying. I just want to use this up. I've had it for a while now. It was one of the first First Aid Beauty products that I've tried. I just don't want it to get a little nasty and have to declutter it a little bit sooner than I wanted to. So I just want to use it up before it goes to waste. It is a travel size, so I am confident that I can get through it. It's just not getting bored of everything else and being able to be a little bit more disciplined in using up these products. Same for the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. Only a little bit has made some progress, so the line's down there. It's right here right now. There's not that much left. It's a travel size, but the other thing is I have so many more of these tubes that I'm not looking forward to using. So I probably won't implement a new tube right away. It's something I'm just gonna use and then eventually reincorporate with another tube. It goes back to the Glam Glow cleanser of getting so many cleansers in subscription boxes. It's great to have all these different boxes, but it's so hard to use and try every single product that you receive. So that is something I am thinking about. Maybe I need to cut back on some of the boxes. Each box has its pros and cons, so it's just really hard to really cut one off. And then I have a little bit of the Kate Somerville Exfoliate left. I have a few more tubes of these as well. I really like this exfoliator. It is super refined. It's just if you get it in your eyes, especially if you have your contacts in, it's gonna burn so bad, and solution will not clean it out. You have to change out your contacts, which is super annoying. That's just why I haven't been reaching for this at all. It's just something I need to use a couple more times and make peace with it. Lastly, I have the It in a Confidence cream right now. This has been my go-to moisturizer. This is how much is left in it right now. It's almost halfway through the jar. This is my second jar. It is a repurchase that I have. I love this so much. I believe I received it in an IPSY or a BOXYCHARM, and I immediately fell in love with it. I was kind of iffy about it at first because I haven't really known It Cosmetics to be known for its skincare, and it has definitely been life-saving in my winter skincare routine. So I'm hoping by March or April I will have used this cream up. It's something that I might start in the morning as well because it is a thicker cream. I do need more hydration. That might be a way of being able to use it up as opposed to letting it go to waste. So this is my current skincare project pan. I think some items will be added to it as the seasons progress, like my Perlise and Dermalogica moisturizers, as well as my Ole Henriksen balancing toner and cleanser. I also have a couple of other products I'm considering putting in as well, just because they need to get used up, or they're products I have been neglecting, or I might just end up decluttering them and put them out of their misery. I definitely need to be more disciplined in this project pan because I do get bored really easily, and with getting so many new products to test out, it's really hard to use up products and then you just have a bunch of products that are open, some that can oxidize and degrade the products really fast, like if there's vitamin C in some products. So I just want to be able to get through products before them going bad and going to waste. The timeline is the end of 2020. Maybe these products will be done before that, which is my hope, but then again, I definitely underestimated when I did my last project pan. So I'm not gonna get my hopes up too high, but then again, I don't want them to be too low and not get through any of these. I also plan on doing a makeup project pan. It'll probably be very similar to this, incorporating products here and there. And it will also confirm if I still like these products or if they just need to get decluttered because it's so painful to get through them. Let me know if you guys do project panning and how do you stay motivated using the same products over and over again. I know it is satisfying to get through products, but man, it does get boring. Also, I would love to know if you are doing a project pan, what items do you have in it? Do we have similar items, similar brands? What products are next in the rotation after you pan out those products? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.